Halloween sea monkeys. There once was a cat named Midnight, and Midnight wanted to do something different this Halloween and make a spooky enclosure for sea monkeys. I think we can help him along. Here is a sneak peek of all the spooktacular fun with the sea monkeys. Now that you've had a sneak peek at the Sea Monkeys Haunted Castle with Midnight, let's get started. Welcome to Serenity Belle Outdoors. Today we are in for some fun. We are creating the Sea Monkey Haunted Castle. This is a fun activity to do during the holiday season. You can do this by yourself, or it can be a nice group activity to get festive. First off, I purchased the Sea Monkeys Magic Castle, which is the classic design. And I got this right off of Amazon, which arrived just in time for me to brew up something special. I also got decorations from the local dollar store, and I tried to go ahead with a color theme to match the Sea Monkey Magic Castle. So I have the purples and the green and orange, which goes perfect for a Halloween theme. To get a closer look, I found this really cool skull that I will use as my base. And I also found these cute little light up jack-o'-lanterns to decorate around it, along with these 3D stickers, which I thought would be a cool addition. Now let's get a closer look at the Sea Monkey Magic Castle packaging, and it is a really cute design. It has the classic cartoon sea monkeys on the packaging and also what they'll really look like once you grow it. And a quick reminder of how easy it is to get started. You just add water. Oh, it looks like Midnight the cat is getting impatient, so let the spooky list begin. It is time to grow our sea monkeys. And I really enjoyed the packaging for the Sea Monkeys Magic Castle. It's really straight to the point, and it gives extra information on how long it will take the sea monkeys to hatch based on the temperature in your house. And then the 1, 2, 3 simple instructions to hatch your sea monkeys, how to feed them, keep them alive. And then also on the back, it gives a little background on the origin of sea monkeys, how long they live, and what they actually are, which is a species of brine shrimp. The package includes an air bubbler that will help you aerate the tank and give the sea monkeys the oxygen they need, and also a feeding spoon so you can make sure they stay nice and healthy. Along with those, you'll receive the 3 packages, which is the water purifier, the sea monkey eggs, and then also their growth food. The instructions will let you know exactly when to use each packet for your sea monkey tank. And there is Midnight again. I think he actually wants to go in the tank with the sea monkeys. I see you, Midnight. We can do that for you. So I am going to go ahead and add Midnight the cat to the Sea Monkey Tiny Aquarium, and he'll get to view the sea monkeys all the time. Happy Halloween! Now for step 1, the water purifier. We'll go ahead and add this to the tank. It'll make sure it's all ready for the sea monkeys. And you're going to want to leave this in for 24 hours, let it settle. And you can also use the aerator to mix it around to just make sure the purifier gets all through the water. This ensures a good mix. And to do that, all you have to do is take the aerator as so and put it in the water, and you just squeeze the top and do a couple of pumps. I like to count to 10 or sometimes 20 just to make sure we get good bubbles. We then have a 24-hour wait before we go ahead with packet number 2, which is the Sea Monkey Instant Live Eggs. And it's always exciting adding these in because then you'll know your sea monkeys will be hatching soon. And you'll put that in just like you did the purifier. Dump that in, and then you'll go ahead and do some pumps with the aerator. For this one, I like to count to 20 just to make sure it's a good mix in there. You want to get that all around, and you see Midnight the cat is watching all the little eggs going through that will hatch soon to give on a show. Now that we have step 2 all finished, I think it is time to add a little more decor to our hunted castle. 48 hours later, just 2 days, I was able to observe little tiny specks moving. So our sea monkeys have hatched, and they're so microscopic and tiny, but you can definitely see the motion of them swimming around in the tank. It's always exciting to see the tiny little sea monkeys because there's always a worry sometimes that the batch won't hatch. After 72 hours, which is 3 more days, it is now time for us to do our first feeding for the sea monkeys, which are still tiny, but they definitely have grown a bit. So it is now time for them to get some of the growth food, which is in step 3, and it is dried algae. And for that, we're going to use the feeding spoon with a leveled scoop. And we put it in the tank, and we can get a close look of the sea monkeys eating their food for the first time. Midnight the cat seems to really like to be in the center of attention, and he gets the first-hand view of watching the sea monkeys eat and grow. It has been a lot of fun making the Sea Monkey Hunted Castle. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have. And now we are going to put the Hunted Castle all the way together with the decorations for the full Halloween look. I think this Halloween sea monkey theme turned out really great and fun. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And thank you so very much for watching. And let me know if there are any other themes that you think I should try with the sea monkey. Have a great day. Thank you.